Welcome to JoVE. Let's take a look at how you can use the JoVE LTI tool to add a quiz in Blackboard Ultra. Start by logging into Blackboard. Navigate to your Blackboard Ultra course. Click on the plus button under Course Content. Choose Content Market from the drop-down menu. Select JoVE Videos. Click on Continue in a new window. Select Quiz. Click on Create a new quiz. Give the quiz a title. Enter duration, start date, end date, and quiz attempts. Choose if the quiz is graded or ungraded. And if the access is open or restricted, you can choose to set an end date or make the quiz available indefinitely. You can also choose to allow closed captioning. Click on Done. You can add questions manually by clicking on the plus radio button or choose from our quiz library. Choose Subject. Choose Product. Choose Chapters. Select Topic. Add questions to the quiz by clicking on the Add to Quiz button. Click on Save button once you are done adding all the questions. Click on Back to My Quizzes. Add the newly created quiz. Click on Add Selected Quiz. That's it. Thank you for watching.